Have you ever thought about buying a home in 2026? Well, this video is for you. We're going to start buyer workshop seminars to help our friends and family because they've been asking us so many questions. We're going to put it all in one.
The main benefit about a buyer's workshop is we're going to give you all of the information that you're going to need to purchase a home in 2026. Information like going over your income, what you need to qualify, looking at your credit, if your credit is lower or higher, where you need to be for certain programs to qualify. We'll also talk about down payment and possibly utilizing the new down payment assistance programs that are out there.
We're also going to talk about if you have a 1099, if you are self-employed, or even if you have an employer. We're going to go over that as well so you can qualify for a home.
So we're going to give you all of the tools and resources so that you can purchase a home in 2026. You're going to have the certainty and clarity to buy a home next year.
If you want more information about this webinar, go ahead and message us down below. We'll get that information for you. You can register and we'll get you all set up. So we look forward to seeing you on the next webinar.